everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1969 Ford Mustang Fastback. Super cool car. I actually bought this car from a local gentleman, bought a pair of cars from him. Really good guy, group of guys that kind of help him around his shop. He's got a shop here not too far away. He's been restoring this car for about 5-6 years. Just got the car done about, he said just about a year ago. It's one of those cars, it's got 59 miles on it, so it's gonna still need some shakedown, guys. But cool car. It's kind of neat to call this his John Wick car. If anybody's seen that movie, it had that gray Mustang in it, and that's kind of what he played off of it with. But cool car. It's finished in gunmetal gray. It's got some black performance hood and deck lid striping on it. Good looking car, runs out good. It's got a good running 302 in it. Of course, it's got BF Goodrich Radial TAs with the Magnum 500s all the way around it. Front and rear spoilers. It's got the rear window louvers. Pretty cool car. Like I say, still got some shakedown to it. I know that there's a few things right away he told us that we got to do still. He's got the AC, it's got air conditioning, it's got vintage AC unit. He's got it all plumbed in there. But we still got to get it wired in and get it charged. You can see new bumpers. And I'll tell you, the reason he sold it, this guy is one of those guys that's just, he's got a lot of irons in the fire, man. He is building a street rod. I mean, he's just got cars. As a matter of fact, these cars were kind of wedged in there. Really cool car. Pretty paint. There's a couple of scratches on it. Again, it's got the rear window louvers in it. Rear spoiler. Yeah, there's a little scratch right here. I saw that one. And there's one, I think, on that front fender. Good looking car. Car sits good. It's got a good sound to it. New wheels and tires. Yeah, but pretty cool car. It's got a good look. The 69 is a great body style. And it's tough to find Mustangs, I'll tell you that. Fresh 302, guys. Edelbrock 4-barrel. It's got aluminum intake on it. It's got a set of Motorsports valve covers, factory air cleaner, aluminum radiator with a shroud. Again, he's just put vintage AC on it. It's all plumbed in there. We're going to have to wire it and charge it. Power steering. It's got manual brakes on it. Stock exhaust manifolds. It's a C4 automatic trans. Butt tags right there. Like I say, pretty cool car. It's got the dual sport mirrors on it. Hood mount turn signals, they work too. I think on the dash, if I remember right, this is the one Steve's had to order a regulator for the dash. I think that all the gauges had stopped working. There's a little scratch on the front fender too. That's on order. We have struggled to get parts, so guys, that's the one thing. Looks like it's got the original door handles on it, but I don't know if the gauges are working in the car, because I think everything goes through that regulator, and he's ordered a new one for it. Remote mirror. See, he's got new sill plates, bucket seats, console. It's got a billet steering wheel in it, fold down rear seat. Yeah, 59 miles on it. So there will be some shakedown, like just kind of like the stuff we're messing with in here. He's got an aftermarket radio in there. It's got an amp and stuff in the trunk. I don't know much about that, so I'm not a radio guy at all. H-pipe, Flowmaster, dual exhaust. 9-inch rear, I believe it's a 300 gear. Yeah, whatever that thing is there, you got some aftermarket speakers. Again, this is all the receipts on everything that he did for it. It's kind of cool. Car's clean underneath. I got some pictures of the bottom of the car for you. Doors are clean. He's out, had the seats all redone and refoamed. It's got one of those Bluetooth plug-ins. You can see a little fitment here with the dash. I think that's because he said they ran they actually added these for the AC. Man, it is wicked cold. Again, good running 302. Slide these in. Not easy to do one-handed. Car's got a good look to it. Flip your turn signals on, Nathan. Again, on the dash, all your dash lights and stuff work, but the yeah, matter of fact, it's cool. See how he's got them lit? It's got a blue tint to them, but again, we're gonna have to I think Steve's ordered that regulator or something everything runs through for the gauges there. Car's got a good sound. Does the radio come up? Blower motor come up? Yeah, I know. Yeah, blower motor. I know the blower motor does work. Nothing on the wipers there, guys. Have to check those. Turn signals are down there. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking that little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new one of these videos. That snow you're seeing right now. hands are freezing. Hopefully the traffic lightens up here. Whew.